One more example. Find the least number which must be added to get the perfect square. Now find out the square root. As we have learned, we will go it according to it decimal. Two digits are taken as one number. Less than 73. 8 8s are 64. Do subtraction as division. 13 minus 4 9 and get this whole number 48. Now 8 plus 8 16. Now we'll try 165 with 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s 32, 3 8 8 25. We'll try with fun 6. We should get more than 948 because the question is what should be added. If they ask what should be subtracted, then you should take less number. What should be added means you should take a greater number. So we'll try for the greater number which is greater than 948. 6 6 are 36, 39, 3 996. This is 996. So if you subtract from 996 948, 8 16 minus 8 848. So 48 should be added to 948. So that will become 996. This is perfect square. Now we'll take one more example. Find the least four digit perfect square. Least number 4 digit perfect square. Correct. 4 digit perfect square. Least number is what we have known. 3 zeros. 1000 is least 4 digit number. Least 4 digit number. For this we'll find out the square and then add so that we'll get the least 4 digit number. If you say greatest, 4 nines we have to take. From that you have to subtract. So 4 nines if you take, this is the greatest 4 digit number. If greatest 4 digit number, and from here if you find out square root and do subtraction, that you will get, do subtraction, you get the answer perfect square, 4 digit perfect square. Now this is least number, so we should take addition. Two digits as one number. Now less than 10, we know 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1. Get the 2 digits as one number. 3 plus 3 6. So 65 will try. We should get more than 100. 5 5s are 25. 5 3 is 30. 2. It is very big. So we'll try with the 63. 3 3s are 9. 6 3 6 are 18. This also is very much. We'll do it to 62. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. So 2 124. Immediate bigger one, because we want least 4 digits. We can take a 189 which is more than 100, but the immediate greater than 100 we should take. So 124 minus 100 will become 24. So 24 plus 1000, we get 1024, which is least 4 digit perfect square. 4 digit perfect square. The square root of 441 by 1849. Square root 441 by 1849. So root of 441 by root of 1849 we should find. We can't get, don't do division or any confusion. 441 square root is, now we have learned, it is 21 and this is 43. So this is the square root. So find out for 441 and 1849 as we have done for the previous sums. So square root, when it is given in fractions, you should find out the square root of numerator separately and the square root of denominator separately and write down. Now we'll learn the square root of decimals. How to find out the square root of decimals. One example we'll do. 5.4289. Now 5.4289. From decimal, two digits we have to take and then treat it as a number. From decimal we should go right side like this. From decimal here we should come this side, left side, two numbers. But here only one number, so only 5. So here less than 5, which we know perfect square is 2 twos are 4. So 1, then get this number. Before that put the decimal here as similar to division 142. Now 2 plus 2 4. Now you try for 4. Now no, if you have any idea, no need to try with 5. You can just assume it and try it also. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Okay, so 3 3 with the 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 12 minus 9 is what? 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Get this next number 89. Now add this and write 46. So if you have a larger number, better to try with 5 without any confusion, and we'll have idea. 5 5s are 25, 2 5 6 are 30, 32, 3 5 4s are 20, 23. Very big. 465 into 5 is very, there is a large difference between this. So we'll try with 2 or 3. Better 3 will try. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12 and that. Perfect square we got it. So 3s are 130, 89. So square root of 5.4289 is equal to 2.33. Now find out square root of 2.8. Correct to 2 places. Okay. Now 2.8. If no digits here, we can add how many zeros we want. So many. 2 places means 3 times, or after decimal 3 numbers we want. 2 places 3 numbers. 3 places 4 numbers. So we have to correct it, no? So extra you should want. So 2.800. Now from decimal right side, two digits as one number. Here only one number, 1. Now less than 2, what is the square root? You know, 1 ones are 1. Now 1 2 minus 1 1. Get the number 80. Before this put the decimal here. 1 plus 1 2. Now try with 2. 5 5 5 is a 25, 2 5 2 is a 10, 125. There is large difference, so we'll try with 7 7 7 are 49, 7 2 are 14, 189. Very big. So 6 is 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2s are 12, 156. So 24. Get the other number, 2 zeros. So add it, that is 32. Now again you try it. 32, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 3s are 15. Very big. So we'll try with 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18, 1 7 3s are 220. Yeah, 7. So 2 2 8 9. They subtract it. 9 minus 8 1, 3 1. Again this you have to get it. Here you got here. So 2 zeros. 1 1 1, 2 zeros. Now this is 4 3 3. So 334. Try with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 22, 5 3s are 15, 17, 5 3s are 15, 16. So this is 16,000, 11,000. Very much different. So you try with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 9 10, 9 10. So this is better, which suits for this. Now with the 3. So 10029. Now we are only bothered about the quotient, 1.673. Correct to 2 decimals means this, if this third number is more than 5, add. If not, don't add it as it is. So square root of 2.8 is 1.67.